to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add someone to Messenger without going to Facebook to add it. Once you have that person as a friend on your Facebook, you can add them on your Messenger. So let's dive into our Messenger. Click on your Messenger and you can just ask Meta AI or search. Click on it and you can search for the person you wanted to add. So let's search for some name now. Let's see. Okay, you can see this is the person here. We're connected. We are both connected. That means I have this person on my friend on Facebook. So click on the person, just click on it and just click on message. Just click on message and automatic also message the person here. You can talk to the person on Messenger without going to your Facebook. So let's say let me go and check someone that is not on my friend list here. So let's say okay. Okay, let me click on this. You can see. We can see. Sorry. Let me search for someone here that is not on my friend list. Okay. Okay, you can see this person, they are not on my friend list on Facebook. So I can just add them here. Click on add and I have sent a friend request to them on my messenger without going to Facebook. So you don't need to go to your Facebook before you can add or send a friend request for someone. So you just again search for the person you want to send a friend request to, and you will be automatically send a friend request, and you'll be adding them to your messenger here very easily. When the person that accepted your friend request, then you are our friend, and you can connect on your messenger without going to the stress of going to the Facebook. So guys, if you find this video helpful, click the like button, share, and comment.